Good morning. Happy Thursday, awesome second grade mathematicians. I hope you are ready to go and work on some more subtracting. So today we're going to go over almost the same thing we did yesterday. And a lot of you all are saying, I already know how to do this. Why do we need to keep doing this? This is one, adding and subtracting with regrouping is some of the most important concepts in math. So we want to make sure that you get it before we move on to the next thing. So we're going to have a couple more days of practice. We've got today and tomorrow and Monday that we're going to continue to practice this. And then Tuesday is going to be our mid-module assessment. So you'll have a little quiz on Tuesday. Then we'll go for Thanksgiving break. And then we'll come back after Thanksgiving and start something new. So we're just going to do a couple practices today. If you've got this, if you rocked on it yesterday, awesome. All you have to do is show me that you can keep rocking. If you're still struggling a little bit on this, then take your time. Work through this. Ask your teacher. Ask for help. Let's get this taken care of because these are really, really important problems to know how to do. Okay, I've set up my hundreds, tens, and ones chart. I just have to draw my disc. So I've got 100. I've got 7 tens, and I have 3 ones. Okay, I'm going to come over here. Remember, I only draw in a subtraction problem the first number because the other number gets taken away from that. So now I need to write my vertical problem, and I've got 173, and I need to know where to put that 42. A lot of people want to line that up and put it here. If you do that, you're subtracting 4 hundreds and 2 tens, and that is not what 42 is. So the numbers line up on the right side, not on the left side. So we've got 4 tens goes under the tens place, and 2 ones goes under the ones place. Make sure you line those up correctly because that will mess up your whole problem. All right, so I'm going to start with my ones place. I always start with my ones place, and I have 3 minus 2. I can do that. I don't need to regroup on that one. So 3, take away 2. That gives me a 1 left. I can go ahead and write my 1 in my ones place. My tens place, I have 7. I need to take away 4. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 left that are not marked through. So I'm going to put a 3 in my tens place. And then remember, there's that invisible 0. The bottom number does not have any hundreds. The top number has 1. So 1 minus 0 is still 1. So my answer is going to be 131. We're going to go down to C on lesson 15 and look at this one because this one does involve some regrouping. Let's draw our our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, I've got 100. How many tens? Heard somebody say it. 7 tens. And I have 0 ones. I'm not going to draw anything in that ones place. Just leave it blank. Come over here. I'm going to write my vertical problem. And now I can get started. So the first thing I'm doing, remember we always do our ones place first, is 0 minus 4. If I have 0, can I take away 4? If I have 0 M&Ms, can I eat 4 M&Ms? Don't have magic M&Ms. So I need to come up with some ones. So I'm going to take one of these tens and turn it into 10 ones. Now I can come over here. I took a 10. Now I have 6 tens left. I gave 10 ones to the ones place. And now I have 10 ones. So now I can do 10 minus 4. So 10 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 left. Put a 6 in my ones place to remind myself. How many am I going to take away from the 6? I'm taking away 4. It's right underneath. So 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 left. So that's a 20. And remember, I have my invisible 0 here. There's no hundreds there. So I'm going to take away 1 minus 0, which is 1. And this kind of can get confusing. Sometimes it looks like a zero. It's a 100 discs. And I'm try to write that really teeny tiny. Okay, so you're going to go and you're going to finish up the rest of your lesson 15. The last two ask you to try to do the problem without drawing discs. If you can just do it using your vertical method. We're trying to get away from the pictures and just do the vertical method where you're crossing out a 10 and moving the 10 over to the ones place. I hope you all have a successful time doing that today and an awesome Thursday. And I will see you all Monday.